Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing a seismic shift in the global order. For 30 years, the narrative has been the rise of the East, but the real story of the 21st century is the stalling of the West, specifically, the stalling of Europe. In 1990, China was an economic footnote, holding a mere 1.6% of global GDP. Today, it is a peer competitor, effectively matching the economic weight of the entire European Union. Meanwhile, the United States has defied every relative decline narrative, maintaining a rock-solid 25% share of the global pie through relentless innovation. And Europe? In 2008, the EU economy was 110% the size of the US total. Today, it has plummeted to just 67%. We aren't just losing the race, we are running in the wrong direction, weighed down by a bureaucratic cage of our own making. We have generated 540,000 pages of regulation since 1990, 3 times the volume of the United States. Our corporations are no longer vehicles for production. They are vehicles for reporting. We have traded the dynamic engineer for the compliance officer. When Meta spends nearly 600,000 engineering hours just to navigate new EU laws, that is 500,000 hours not spent building the future. This green trap is also strangling our industry. Our manufacturers pay 2.6 times more for electricity than their American peers. We are forcing a transition to electric vehicles by decree, rather than demand, while our aging population and demographic winter threaten the very welfare state we hold dear. Yes, Europe is a lifestyle superpower. We cherish our healthcare, our vacations, and our social safety nets. But these are luxuries funded by growth, and growth has left the building. As Mario Draghi recently warned, our best startups are fleeing to the US, not for better weather, but to escape our complexity. We must pivot from a philosophy of restriction to one of pragmatism. We must lower energy costs, slash the compliance burden, and finally, build a true single market that prioritizes global champions over national silos. We have the best place in the world to live. Now, let us find the economic courage to ensure it stays that way for the next generation.